I'm in the kitchen today with Father Tony Ditto. He's the senior priest at Mother of Sorrows Parish in Murraysville, and today we are making chicken oreganato. Now this is a special recipe close to your heart. Tell us why.
Correct. Well, on Sundays, my mother would make it because it's pretty easy to make. There's not a lot of ingredients, and all you have is 8 chicken thighs, 5 to 6 potatoes, 4 carrots, 8 to 12 cloves of garlic. If you don't like garlic, put less in. I mean, whatever, you know, if you want to like clear a room out, you know, with your breath, you can do that. You can use more. And then one large sweet onion. It's usually Vidalia. Salt and pepper, which I mix them together. And then you have oregano, and then olive oil. My mother was really funny in the kitchen. If you weren't doing something helpful, you would be asked to find another place in the house.
She didn't want anyone else in her kitchen. No. Well, I'm not going to get in your way, so
no.
Tell me. Okay. Where do we start?
Well, we're going to start chopping all of the vegetables. And Jen, I'm going to ask you to do KP duty.
Okay.
And I want you to peel these potatoes.
Okay, I'll peel the potatoes.
So what I normally do is I start with the onion, cut it in 1-inch pieces. And then you just throw it in the pan. The next thing then, while you're doing this potatoes, I'm going to cut the carrots up. And what I normally do is I try to cut them in like 1-inch pieces to match the potatoes. As the carrot gets wider at the root, then so it all cooks evenly, I just cut it in half.
Well, you didn't relegate me out of the kitchen, but I did peel all your potatoes.
Well, they look great.
I don't know.
You can peel potatoes in my house anytime.
Oh, well, I appreciate that. So this is creating a bed that the chicken can roast upon, right?
Great, correct. We're going to do the garlic, and the garlic is very simple.
Wow.
Smash, no peel, throw it in. Now that I have all of the garlic crushed, take some of the seasoning, half of it, and then half of the oregano. Now we put the chicken on top.
Okay, and do we kind of want to lay them in neat rows
yes.
here?
Next step is pouring all of the olive oil over it. Take the rest of the seasoning, preheat your oven to 425. You would put this in covered with foil for 15 minutes, and then you take the foil off, and then you leave it in anywhere from 40 to 45 minutes.
Well, Father Tony, thank you again for sharing this wonderful recipe that your mom called Sunday chicken. Shall we try it?
Sure.
Okay, looks great. Wow, that is fantastic.
Like it?
Delicious. This is a fantastic recipe. Thank you for sharing, and on behalf of the Catholic Accent, we appreciate it. We hope everyone at home gets to try it.
So do I.